Loveland, Ohio. We cut our hot and cold water lines at the old power vent, 80-gallon, an old 80-gallon ream power vent. We cut the water lines loose. We're taking the expansion tank off. It's waterlogged because it wasn't blown up correctly when it was installed the first time. I'm going to be installing a brand new Eternal GU 195. You can see we've got it somewhat prepped. We've got our shark bite fittings in there for adapters. Boiler drain in. We'll have gas hooked up and condensate drain.
Feel that.
Damn. Yeah, that's full of water. So
Yeah,
that thing was waterlogged.
You can feel it in there.
We're draining down the system now so that we can also add on, get rid of this old gate valve here that hardly ever will shut off. So if you ever see one of these going in, try and stop the plumber and ask them if they can put in a ball valve with a stainless steel ball that'll last a while. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add one up here. Obviously it has to be below here. Technically it should be above, which actually I tell you what we're going to do is we're going to put our ball valve up here a little bit higher, or before this T for the expansion tank. That's a code issue as well. It's supposed to be able to be serviceable, where we turn the valve off and can change out that expansion tank if we have to, which in this case you can see we had to turn off the water, cold water, to the entire house because there's no other valve above here. So that's what we're going to do, is switch this, put in a new ball valve and put that valve up higher above the T. And we'll come back. We're going to work on getting this tank out of the house and getting our new Eternal over here on the wall and piped up, and we'll come back and show you that. We're going to go ahead and cut in our new shut-off valve. You gotta love these sharp ones. Yeah, which would be better? Down or off? Sweet. On there.
Do you want to reuse that T?
Yeah, we will. Just have to grab a cord cover. That's kind of close to that. Alright, work on getting our water heater out. At least out of the way here. So that tank, that water heater tank, was completely, it's probably, did you dump the water out?
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's full.
Oh yeah.
So it's waterlogged. Go ahead, pick it up. You can feel it. So
That dolly, Dale,
it's right there.
grab that and bring it over here and stick it underneath that lip and lift up for me, please.
Oh, I thought you was done with my help for today.
Oh!
Oh!
He's trying to get out of
You got weightlifting belt somewhere, you want to put that on?
see if you can, there you go. I'm just trying to get it over that way without.
Here, hold on. Where's that?
There you go.
Ah, it's a foot.
Now lift back. Just get it over.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Alright, still good. I just want to get it past the water, condensate lines.
Am I past it?
Yep. strapped up.
Strap her up.
Strap it up.
This side over here.
I do know one thing. It's about 80 times 8.3 pounds lighter than what it was before. Just there, hold that, and I'll drill it while you got it. Did you bring in lead anchors?
Yeah, they're in my pocket.
Oh, I ain't reaching in for this.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry. Dude.
What's the difference?
I got to
You
draw
know
them
a
up.
lot of these Friday, baby.
Where are they at? This one?
No, back.
Oh, that one. Yeah, right there. Hammer. That's the hammer. Didn't I have the hammer?
Right there.
Oh, there we go.
Good thing you brought Dan to help you, Dale.
Alright, still level.
Yep. Good thing you hired him.
Yeah.
They won't give us a family discount, but that's okay.
This is actually a really nice installation.
Yeah, because you'll have more clearance on the left to get in there too, because
Right.
you'll be able to get in here and do stuff. So
Oh, we should be, that offsets are going to be made in the water lines, which shouldn't be too bad.
cool.
There's handles built into that.
Mm-hmm.
They're zigzag, but I'll help you here. Don't. You got it, or you want me to?
Nope, I got it. You can guide me onto the thing.
You don't even have to do that. Just tilt. That's it. Let her down. You're on. There she is. Now, lock it level. Just a tad bit. Couple more anchors and we'll be good. Alright.
That is cool.
It does now. It's not even up and running and plugged in yet. We're not completely finished. We gotta get some supports on the water lines there, but we are hooked up, and
Car.
that's the brand new shiny Eternal GU195 expansion tank is on, blown up. We got our new valve installed there. Premier ball valve, full port, so we have no restriction. Come around here and see the intake. Got a screen in. There's also screens built into the bottom here on both of these inlet and outlet. Condensate drain hooked up down the drain, TMP. Gas lines hooked up. We got our drip leg down low already. And there's the remainder of the condensate line over to the drain. So we'll come back and show you this thing running up and running. Hopefully do a little countdown on how long it takes to get hot water with the new install. Hey, thanks for watching us here on FlowRightPlumbing.com, CincinnatiGreenPlumbers.com, and YouTube, of course. And thanks for watching our video here on the installation of the Eternal Hybrid. If you'd like, check out the next video on the Eternal Hybrid, and you'll see us actually starting up the unit, show you how quickly that thing gets hot water and how well it performs. I believe this one is going into a 3 full bath unit home. Also, you've got all the usual stuff, which is your washer, dryer, dishwasher, things of that nature that would use hot water. So this unit really is a performer, but check out that next video to see it.